AI is shaping our future, but what exactly is it? If you've ever wondered how artificial intelligence works, why it matters, and where to begin, this video has all the answers. I'm here to simplify AI for beginners, share insights from experts, and make it so easy that you'll walk away ready to start your AI journey. And if you're curious to dive even deeper, covering topics like the types of AI, machine learning, (ML), natural language processing, (NLP), and AI applications, check out the complete video linked in the description. Stay till the end, and you'll unlock the secrets to understanding AI like a pro. Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we'll begin our exciting journey into understanding AI, what it is, why it matters, and how it's shaping our future. To guide us, we'll hear insights from an expert who simplifies this fascinating field. So sit back, relax, and let's learn from the best as we uncover the foundations of AI together.
What if machines could think, learn, and create? Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, enhancing our capabilities and transforming the way we interact with technology. This isn't just a distant dream, it's happening right now. That's the power of artificial intelligence. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary technology that's reshaping industries, from healthcare to finance and even entertainment. By mimicking human intelligence, AI systems can perform tasks that once seemed impossible. From ancient automatons to the birth of computing, the dream of AI has been centuries in the making. Early inventors and scientists laid the groundwork for what we now call AI, envisioning machines that could perform complex tasks and solve intricate problems. Imagine this: algorithms diagnosing diseases with pinpoint accuracy, robots driving cars with unparalleled safety, and advanced medical technologies providing personalized treatment plans. These are not just futuristic fantasies, they are real-world applications of AI that are already in use today, and it doesn't stop there. AI is also revolutionizing the way we shop, learn, and entertain ourselves. Personalized recommendations guide your every choice, from the movies you watch to the products you buy, making your experiences more tailored and enjoyable. Today, AI is transforming our world in ways we never thought possible. In various industries, AI is enhancing productivity, improving efficiency, and driving innovation. From smart cities to intelligent manufacturing, the impact of AI is profound and far-reaching. The AI revolution is creating exciting career paths. Become an AI engineer, data scientist, or machine learning specialist. These roles are not only in high demand but also offer the opportunity to work on cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future. Or perhaps you are interested in the ethical implications of AI. As an AI ethicist, you can help navigate the complex moral landscape of this technology, ensuring that AI is developed and used responsibly. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright for those who choose to embark on this journey. What does the future hold for AI? The potential is limitless. As AI continues to evolve, it will unlock new opportunities and challenges, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From enhancing human capabilities to solving global issues, the future of AI is both exciting and unpredictable. Join me as we explore the next frontier of intelligent machines. Together, we'll delve into the latest advancements, uncover the mysteries of AI, and discover how this technology is shaping our world. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, there's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving field of AI. Subscribe now for more insights into the world of AI. Stay updated with the latest trends, breakthroughs, and discussions in this fascinating field. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about new content and exclusive live sessions. Don't miss our upcoming live sessions. Join our community of AI enthusiasts and experts as we dive deep into the world of artificial intelligence. Engage with thought leaders, ask questions, and expand your knowledge. The journey into AI is just beginning, and we want you to be a part of it.
All right, so have you ever you ever think about, have you ever thought about machines actually thinking
Oh, yeah.
and learning? What if they could, just gobble up information and analyze it and solve problems and even make decisions all on their own
At super speed.
at speeds that our brains can't even comprehend?
Right.
Well, that's the world of AI.
Exactly. And it's already here.
Yeah.
It's not science fiction anymore.
No, not at all.
It's woven into our everyday lives, and I bet you encounter it all the time without realizing it.
Yeah, and that's what we're going to do in this deep dive. We're going to explore like the basics of AI, kind of go back in time a little bit, see how it's evolved, how it's changing things.
And how it's going to change things.
Yeah, and what you can do with it, you
Mhm.
know, career-wise and all that.
Absolutely.
So let's start with what is AI? Like, can you give us the
The definition.
just the concise stuff?
Yeah. So when we talk about artificial intelligence, we're basically talking about making machines that can think like humans. Think learning from experiences, adapting to new information, and making decisions based on all this data they process.
So, like, instead of just like programming a computer to do a specific thing, we're teaching it to like think on its own, right?
That's right, more or less.
Okay, and I think you mentioned this earlier. AI is kind of already a part of our everyday lives. Like, can you give some quick examples of that?
Oh, tons of examples.
Yeah.
So think about when you watch Netflix or listen to Spotify, you get those personalized recommendations.
Oh, yeah.
Well, that's AI. Algorithms are crunching data based on what you've watched or listened to in the past to figure out what you might enjoy next.
Okay.
Or even simpler, spam filters.
Uh-huh.
Those are totally AI-powered,
Yeah.
analyzing emails, looking for patterns to weed out the junk.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah, I never really thought about those as
That's
AI.
behind the scenes.
Yeah, but it totally is. Okay, so where did this like whole concept of AI even come from? Where did it begin?
Well, we got to go back to 1956, a big conference at Dartmouth.
Oh, wow.
That's where a group of really smart scientists and mathematicians officially said, hey, this is a thing. And that basically launched the whole field of AI research.
Okay, but it probably didn't like take off overnight, right?
No, definitely not. It was slow going at first, a lot
Yeah.
of trial and error. But then we had some big breakthroughs, like in '97 when IBM's Deep Blue beat Garry Kasparov at chess.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
That was huge, not just for IBM, but for AI as a whole.
Right, but why? Why was that such a big deal?
Well, up until then, most AI was rule-based.
Okay.
Programmers had to code in every possible move, every scenario.
Uh-huh.
But Deep Blue used machine learning. The computer actually learned from tons of data
Uh-huh.
and got better over time.
So I was thinking more like a human.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
That opened up so many possibilities for more complex AI.
Right, and then there was
And then Watson,
Watson. What year was that?
2011, on Jeopardy.
Oh, yeah, I remember watching that.
Crushed it.
It was incredible.
The future had arrived.
Yeah, but we've come even farther now.
Oh, absolutely. It's mind-blowing.
Yeah.
I mean, now we have things like ChatGPT that can write poems, compose music,
Yes, I mean,
generate computer code.
Huh?
Tools like Copilot are changing the way programmers work.
Okay.
AI is everywhere, even in creative fields.
Okay, that's amazing. So, like, let's bring it back down to earth. Like, what are some everyday ways that AI is already affecting us that we might not even realize?
Well, think about shopping on Amazon. Those personalized recommendations,
Uh-huh.
those aren't random. That's AI at work, analyzing what you've bought, what you've looked at,
Yeah.
even things like your demographics,
Oh, wow.
all to predict what you might buy next.
Okay.
It's all about making shopping easier and, well, getting you to buy more.
Right, right. Of course. Yeah.
Okay, and how about like with all the technology we use?
Well, think about your voice assistant, Siri or
Yeah.
Alexa.
They're getting really good at understanding what you're saying.
Mm-hmm.
They can set reminders, control your smart home.
Right.
It makes life easier.
And they're getting smarter, it seems like.
Oh yeah, that's the machine learning part. They're constantly learning from you.
Oh, wow.
Your speech patterns, your preferences, even your mood.
That's amazing.
So they just keep getting better.
Okay, so we've talked about history, we've talked about everyday use, but I want to get into how AI is changing, like big industries like healthcare and education and business.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Buckle up because AI is shaking things up in those fields too.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so healthcare, right? AI is making a big impact, like helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier, more accurately.
Oh, wow. How's it doing that?
So imagine an AI system trained on like thousands of medical images, right?
Mm.
It learns to spot tiny little things that humans might miss.
Oh, so it's like a second opinion, but like a super powered one.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, and is that all?
No, it goes way beyond that. It can scan patient data,
Mm-hmm.
medical history, genetics, all that stuff, to predict health risks, even personalized treatment plans.
Wow.
It's all about using that data to help people live healthier lives.
That's incredible. Okay, so what about education? Is AI doing anything there?
Big time, yeah. It's changing how we learn, personalized learning experiences.
What do you mean by that?
So imagine software that adapts to each student, different lessons, feedback, pacing, whatever that student needs.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, it makes learning more engaging and effective for everyone.
So it's like having a tutor for every student.
Basically, yeah. Plus, it can help teachers, too.
Okay.
Like grading, stuff like that, so they have more time to actually teach.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, let's move on to business.
Okay, yeah.
How's AI being used in the business world?
Oh, man, in so many ways. Improving customer service, streamlining operations, even making, like, big strategic decisions.
Really?
Yeah, take chatbots, for example.
Oh, yeah.
They're available 24/7, answer questions, provide support.
Uh-huh.
They even take orders sometimes.
I've noticed they're getting a lot better.
Oh, yeah, for sure. It frees up human agents for the more complicated stuff.
Okay, that's cool. So, like, what other ways is AI used in business?
Well, there's predictive analytics, using AI to analyze data and predict what's going to happen in the future.
So, like, forecasting.
Exactly.
Oh,
Businesses use it to, like, figure out customer demand, manage their inventory better,
uh-huh.
even spot potential problems or opportunities.
Okay, so it's like making smarter decisions.
Exactly. Data-driven decisions.
But, like, with AI doing all this stuff, what about jobs? Are people going to lose their jobs to AI?
That's a common concern. And yeah, it's true. Some jobs will probably be automated. But think about it. Every time there's a big technological change, new jobs pop up that we couldn't have even imagined before.
Okay, so, like, what? Give me an example.
Well, like when cars replace horses.
Right.
That was a huge change.
Right.
Disrupted the whole transportation industry. But then you had all these new jobs in manufacturing, engineering.
Okay, I see your point.
So it's not just about losing jobs, it's about adapting.
Right, yeah, learning new skills, that sort of thing.
Exactly. And that's what's exciting about AI. It's creating a ton of new job opportunities.
Okay, so if someone's listening and they're like, hey, I'm interested in AI, what can they do? Like, what kinds of jobs are out there?
Oh, man, the job market's exploding right now.
Really?
Companies are realizing how powerful AI is. They need people who understand it.
And there's, like, a lot of different types of jobs, right?
Right. Tons.
Yeah.
Software engineering, data analysis, even things like psychology or linguistics.
So there's something for everyone.
Pretty much, yeah. It's all about finding what you're good at and what you enjoy.
Okay, so let's get specific. Like, what are some of the most popular AI jobs out there?
Well, you've got AI engineers.
Okay.
They're the ones building the algorithms, the systems, the whole shebang.
So they need to be, like, really good at coding.
Oh, yeah, strong computer science skills, math.
No, there's math involved.
Yeah, but it's also a super creative job.
Real?
Yeah, you're always trying to solve problems, come up with new solutions.
That's cool. What about, like, someone who's more into analyzing data, figuring things out?
Oh, then you're talking about a data scientist.
Okay.
They're like detectives of the data world.
Detectives.
Yeah, they look for patterns, trends, anything unusual in all that data.
Okay, so they help companies make sense of their data.
Exactly, so they can make better decisions.
I see. Okay. And what about, like, applying AI to specific industries like healthcare, finance, that sort of thing?
That's where AI specialists come in.
Okay.
They focus on one area and figure out how to use AI to solve those specific problems.
So it's like taking the general AI knowledge and getting really specific.
Yeah, exactly. Like an AI specialist in healthcare might be working on diagnostic tools, or someone in finance might be developing algorithms to catch fraud.
Okay, that makes sense. So there's all these different AI jobs, but, like, where does someone even begin?
Well, the good news is there are tons of resources out there to help you learn.
Like, what kind of resources?
Online courses, tutorials, all that stuff. You can learn programming languages like Python. That's a big one for AI.
Okay.
You can learn about data analysis, machine learning, all for free even.
So I don't need to, like, go back to school.
Not necessarily, no.
Okay, so what's, like, the most important thing?
Be curious, be motivated, and be willing to put in the work.
Right. Practice, like anything else you want to learn.
Exactly. And in terms of skills, programming's essential. Python's a good starting point.
Okay, I've heard of that.
And math. Gotta have some math skills,
Yeah.
especially linear algebra, calculus.
Oh, no. Math.
Yeah. But don't worry, not all AI jobs require a ton of math.
Okay, good. That's good to know.
It depends on what you want to do, you know?
Right. Makes sense. But what about, like, you know, those other skills, those
Soft skills.
soft skills? Yeah, those are important too, right?
Oh, yeah, huge. Communication's key. You got to be able to explain this stuff to people who don't understand all the technical details.
So being able to talk to normal people about AI.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay.
Problem solving. You're going to be hitting roadblocks all the time.
Right, yeah.
Got to be able to think on your feet, find solutions,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe most important of all, a growth mindset.
What's that?
It means being open to learning new things, being adaptable.
Okay.
Because AI is changing all the time. You got to keep
So
up.
it's like being a lifelong student.
Yeah, pretty much. Always learning, always growing.
Right.
Okay, so we've talked a lot about the technical side of AI, the jobs and all that.
Right.
But what about the bigger picture? How's AI impacting society as a whole?
Yeah, that's a good question. Let's get into that.
Yeah, so like the potential of AI to like change things it's huge. Like imagine AI analyzing all that data from scientific research, you know? It could lead to like breakthroughs in medicine, climate science, all sorts of stuff.
So it's like AI is giving us a boost, helping us solve those big problems.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, give me an example. Like, how could AI be used in medicine?
Okay, well, think about personalized medicine, right?
Mhm.
AI could look at your genes, your lifestyle, all that stuff,
Uh-huh.
and predict, like, what diseases you're more likely to get, and then recommend ways to prevent them.
Oh, wow. So like a custom health plan just for you?
Yeah, basically.
That's incredible. But, I mean, there's got to be some downsides to all this, right?
Yeah.
Potential problems with AI.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Like any powerful technology, there are risks.
Like what?
Well, one big concern is jobs. You know, what happens when AI starts doing jobs that humans used to do?
Right. Yeah, we talked about that a little earlier.
Uh-huh. But it's not just about jobs. It's also about making sure AI is used ethically.
Ethically, what do you mean by that?
Well, like making sure the algorithms are fair, you know, not biased against certain groups of people,
Whoa, okay.
and protecting people's privacy, all that stuff.
So it's about making sure AI is used for good, not for bad.
Exactly. And that's a conversation we all need to be a part of, not just the AI experts.
Right. Yeah, because AI is going to affect everyone, so everyone should have a say.
That's right.
Okay, so for our listeners who are like really interested in this, what can they do? How can they learn more about AI?
Well, just be curious, you know?
Yeah.
There's so much information out there, articles, videos, online courses.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to try out some of the AI tools that are available.
Even if you're not a tech person.
Oh, yeah, for sure. There are plenty of tools that are easy to use, even for beginners.
So just dive in and explore.
Exactly. And connect with other people who are interested in AI.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, go to workshops, join online communities, share your ideas.
That's great advice. Well, I think we've covered a lot of ground in this deep dive into AI.
We have, yeah. From like the basic idea of AI to how it's being used in the real world to like the ethical questions.
Right. It's been a fascinating journey.
Yeah, it has.
But like you said earlier, this is just the beginning.
It is. And as we move forward with AI, I think the most important question to ask ourselves is like, what role do we want to play?
Oh, that's a good one. Yeah.
Because the choices we make now are going to shape how AI impacts our world in the future.
That's a powerful thought. Well, thanks for joining us on this incredible exploration of AI.
It's been a pleasure.
We've learned about its potential, the exciting careers it's creating, and the ethical challenges we need to think about.
It's an exciting time to be involved in AI, that's for sure.
It is. And for all of you listening, keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep asking questions.
Because the future of AI is in our hands.
That's right. Until next time, thanks for listening.